We're going to draw a jack-o'-lantern, but I want to show you some marker techniques when you go to color your jack-o'-lantern. Look at how we put some light yellow to show a highlight on all the curves, but notice that dark orange that's in there too. Notice how he just has so much more dimension because of that. And then look at the leaves. There's so many more colors than green that can be in leaves. Now, before we draw, I want to show you the line drawing so we know where we're going. So our jack-o'-lantern, he's like a big circle, but pumpkins always have kind of a dip at the top. But pumpkins come in so many shapes and sizes. So ours is kind of like a heart top, but all round, and our little stub of a stem up there. But instead of carving our eyes, we've got these big circle eyes on top and a gigantic smile with some big teeth. So, ready to draw your jack-o'-lantern? Okay, now we need to start with our shape. So I'm going to start at the top, and I want to get way out. I need a really big shape. I'm going to do half, then I'm going to come to this side and get my other half. Doesn't have to be perfect. Jack-o'-lanterns are all kinds of sizes. Then I'm going to get my first eye right here. Big eye. My second eye. They kind of overlap a little bit. Now I'm going to put a shape inside my eye. Kind of looks like a deviled egg that got cut open. There we go. Now I have one more circle I need inside, and this one I'm going to color in dark, but I'm going to leave that highlight. Look, I have a big circle with eyes on it. Okay, let's make him look like a jack-o'-lantern. Now for his big smile, I'm going to go really close, and I'm going to get that line that goes right here. Ready? Right here. There, he just looks like he has a great smile, which he does. But now we'll put the bottom on his smile. In this case, he's going to go way down for the other part of his smile. We're going to put a tooth right, kind of front and center, one little side, one to this side. They don't have to be perfect because I haven't seen a jack-o'-lantern yet who takes good care of his teeth. There we go. Now he needs that little stem on top. Just a little, and then you put lines in it because, you know, there's some texture to it. Now the big trick on the pumpkin is you put curves, but the curves go the same direction as the side of the pumpkin. So we're going to have one of the lines of the pumpkin be over on this side. One is on this side. Oops. This one is going to go right through the middle, kind of just jump over, and this side curves toward this direction. Ready? There, there, there. Okay, there's our jack-o'-lantern. Now let's give him his leaf. And I always do the center line first when I make a leaf. Then I can get this side and this side, and we wanted to add some veins. That makes leaves interesting. And in this case, it gives us more places for color. And then we're going to put the leaf on this side. Remember, center line first, this side, this side. And let's put some kind of pattern lines in there, veins. Okay, and I'm going to put the ground line in here because I think it can be fun to kind of color him like he's still in the pumpkin patch. There we go. Now, ready? We're going to color our jack-o'-lantern. Ta-da! Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We've got so many more videos for you.